in maths, 11th, I studied half of it from competition's YouTube channel, from your lectures. But before that, I watched different channels, and I was like just starting 11th, so I wasn't that clear on who to watch and all. So a few chapters, I did study them, and I did do a module of another coaching which I used to be in. But I didn't practice that much, and I have not learned all the concepts. So like, should I leave those 11th topics? Because like I would say I'm 70 to 80% I'm strong in maths. Not that strong, but strong enough to continue with 12th. So what should I do with those? Should I leave them for now and focus more on them during revision?
So you are in 12th now, right now?
हाँ, प्रखर 3.
तो उसके लिए आई विल सजेस्ट कि जो हमारा मटेरियल है उसमें से यू आर सपोज टू सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 1 and if you are able to solve say more than 60% of the problem, 60-70% of the problem, then you can leave that chapter. If you are not able to solve say even 50%, then you should watch those lectures again. And you can start with...
I'm able to do...
I am saying you should start with 12th and whatever 11th chapter you are not good at, that you can fill in between.
ऐसा नहीं है कि exercise 1 भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. Just the advanced level stuff or like anything extra, those type of things I'm not totally sure about. But I'm pretty sure that I can do exercise 1 because I looked at those questions, I looked at the 11th modules. So I think that's fine.
So if you are able to solve say exercise 1 up to say 70-80%, then it is perfectly all right. Then you can leave those chapters.
So I'll do them during revision, advanced level stuff.
Sure, bilkul.